Hello everybody, welcome to the channel, Man Mick here. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video.
The 368K model is positioned as a cruiser scooter. The whole vehicle has simple and smooth design elements, elegant and stable, and high-end atmosphere. Equipped with a large number of practical and thoughtful designs and high-tech equipment, the whole vehicle has very high comfort and high-speed stability. The 368 cubic centimeters engine has a high compression ratio of 11.8 to 1, which can achieve a power output of 28.5 kilowatts and 40 Nm with low fuel consumption. The 6 LED lens module's headlights have gentle light tones, strong penetration, and high brightness. At the same time, they broaden the effective illumination range, allowing drivers to calmly cope with various road conditions and weather challenges. The sleek, widened and raised electric windshield directs oncoming wind toward the top of your head and all around, making it easy to keep out the cold wind during long-distance travel and high-speed cruising. The newly developed sofa-grade seat cushion with lumbar support is thick, soft, spacious, and comfortable, allowing you to enjoy luxury. The relaxed riding posture and wide footrests make long-distance travel more comfortable. The luxurious and elegant center control panel is matched with shiny electroplated decorative parts, showing the beauty of grandeur. The one-piece aluminum alloy handlebar can be adjusted in 2 positions, front and back, and comes standard with 2 handlebar covers for non-destructive installation of the phone holder. Newly tuned front and rear shock absorbers provide smoother operation and enhanced shock filtering capabilities. Jade one opposed 4-piston radial calipers, combined with enlarged disc brakes, ensures stable emergency braking and short braking distance, effectively improving braking efficiency. The wide-surface water-cooled radiator is a powerful aid that enables the high-performance engine to fully exert its power, prevents the water temperature from exceeding the limit, and makes low temperatures starting smoother. The newly designed muffler has an upgraded appearance and texture, while also improving the internal piping structure of the cavity, which increases power and makes the sound more powerful. The 6.75-inch TFT full-color LCD instrument has a concise and clear interface. It supports simultaneous connection to mobile phones and Bluetooth headsets and helmets. Front/rear dual-camera driving recorder, 128G storage, equipped with Sony's Starlight night vision sensor, 1080p HD image quality, 150 degrees wide angle, f1.8 large aperture, allowing you to fully enjoy the fun of modern technology. The large-capacity rear storage box can store 2 XXL full-face helmets, protective gear, and small items at the same time. The above features and many more really make the Zontes 368K cruiser scooter a choice for seasoned and new riders.